With your littles, when you're taking a group to work with, or even one-on-one, be aware that when you transition from one task to another, that transition should probably be a few minutes of just conversation. Like not, okay, get your pencil out, we're gonna do this, we're gonna practice this. It should be, how you doing today? And then if you're working with a few kids, allowing them just to have a conversation. You would be amazed how this changes their ability to actually get some work done and enhance their conversation skills. Because we have really poor conversation skills because we don't use them. We just don't allow it to happen. So we have to allow it to happen. So I like to use it at transition times because it helps to kind of settle the brain down from one thing and move to the next, and also enhance your conversation.